1959 Ford 881 diesel. First run after the rebuild. Just put the loader back on. Testing it out. That's my buddy on the tractor. Lots of new parts, lots of rebuilt parts, rebuilt motor, rebuilt hydraulic cylinder, hydraulic valves, hydraulic pump, new steering box, engine rebuild, new tire on the back. And lots of other stuff I can't remember right now. A little tough to see what's going on with that skinny bucket. You can't see what it's digging or not. Just pushing some mulch piles around, having fun. It's got the Selecto speed transmission. I hand painted the logo. Runs real nice now. Motor starts better. The steering steers better. The hydraulics work smoother. Got a rain cap for it, so I don't have to put a coffee can on the stack. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.